Hey YouTube, we got a leaking shower head. I'm going to investigate, find out what's causing it. So typically you access it going here, but before I could do that, I'll go ahead and shut that off downstairs. I really hope that I don't have to shut the water main valve, but just the valve for the hot water source. So I'll test it out. Hang down in the basement, so it looked like it's gonna go right there. Let's test it. Hang tight. How about that? Great. Take off the cap. There it is. Phillips. Hold on the screw. How about that? Take this off counterclockwise. There you go. Take a look at that. It's leaking there too. Wow. Alright, we'll figure this out. Look like it's just that one right there. Get a wrench. Sometimes an easy project is not that easy. As you can see right here, this is fine on this side. If I loosen this up, I could easily pull it out on this side. But on this side, look at that. I'm going to enlarge the hole just a tad bit. You know the saying, using the right tool for the job. I can't find my Dremel, so just got a tiny drill bit right here, and here's the cut. Enlarged it a little bit. Here it is. It's a hack job, but hey, that's okay. Let me go ahead and take this off. Okay, loosen this up. There you go. Take it off. There's your problem. Just a washer. Go ahead and replace those. Picking up this stuff. The bait always is to you buy the parts or replace the entire thing. So we'll see, depending on cost. Leave and go to Home Depot instead. And I hope they have both the washers and also this part. The washers alone were about $5, so if I could find this for $8.99, I'd rather go do that. Hang tight. What I need, $11.97, or buy a 5-pack for $32. Only one went out, so I'll pick up the 5-pack instead. Okay, this thing came out to $37, and I got 2 ways to go about it. Rebuild it. This thing is only for $6.27. Came with the washers I needed, including the 3/8 rubber washer right there. Or this is $11. I was gonna buy the 5-packs, but decided against it. I think typically it lasts me about 5 years, so why store it and buy $30 worth of the 5-packs. And finally, I figured this was loose, picked it up. Anyway, it's kind of cool, like that blue and red, so I thought I'd replace it. Okay, I've decided I'm gonna go with the cheap route. Instead of installing a brand new one, I'm gonna attempt this $6.27 repair first and go back to the store and return this one. Hang tight. Take that off. Just assembling it. Nice. Take this off. If this thing is giving you trouble, the screw, just tap it, loosen up the rust. It's an old trick. Already loosened it up, so let me get the 3/8 washer. Where's that? Look how bad that looks. Put in a new one from the kit. And the new one should come with a new screw. Here's a new one. Came with the kit. Yeah, I'll put the 3/8 underneath. Make it nice, smooth surface. About that. Okay, and a washer. Not that one. Well, I'm gonna use the same washer. Looked like the kit didn't come with this washer, this size. Nothing wrong with it. I'll take a look. Nope. Okay, let's put it back in. Got a new washer there. New washer inside here. Okay, that's tight. Let's turn on the valve and see if there's any leak there. Let's turn on the valve. That's on. Let's go back upstairs. Okay, what you're looking for before you put back the dressing, that there's no leak. And looking at this, it looked like a success. There's no leak. Yeah, it's focused. None either on right here. No leak, and there's no leak right there. So I consider this a success. I'm gonna put this back on. Perfect. This thing right here. That's not even shaking. So it was just loose before. So I don't need to replace it. Put the cap on and we're good to go. No leaks. How about that? Let's turn it on. Let's test it. Got no leaks right there. No leaks right there. Beautiful. Turn it off. That's tight. Oh, that's perfect. Yeah. Beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. If you haven't clicked subscribe, click that subscribe button and click that notification bell. I appreciate you guys watching. Thanks again. Another successful project. Just a washer. Perfect. This thing is going back. This thing is going back. So total cost really for the projects is $6.27. Thanks again. Bye for now. There's your problem. Just a washer. Go ahead and replace it.